Hello everyone, Jack here. Welcome to Infinite Curiosity. Fashion is about expressing your truest self, feeling confident and comfortable in your own skin. Today we're going to unlock those style secrets together with some easy, practical tips to elevate your everyday outfits. So, whether you're a fashion enthusiast or just starting to explore your personal style, get comfy and let's embark on this stylish adventure together. You ready? Let's go! Alright, let's start with the absolute foundation of a killer outfit fit. Clothes that fit you properly just make you look and feel so much more put together. It's all about finding that sweet spot where the clothes skim your body beautifully without feeling restrictive. Pay attention to the shoulders. The seam should sit perfectly at your shoulder bone. Sleeves should hit right at your wrist, not bunching up or hanging too long. And for trousers, make sure the waist fits comfortably without needing a belt to hold them up. Good tailoring can be your best friend. It makes all the difference. Let's talk accessories. Think of them as the sprinkles on top of a delicious cupcake, a statement necklace, a fabulous scarf, a killer pair of shoes. They can totally transform an outfit from drab to fab. Start with one or two statement pieces, like a bold necklace or some chunky earrings. If you're wearing a busy print, balance it out with more understated accessories. Remember, accessorizing is all about having fun and expressing yourself, so don't be afraid to experiment. Let's talk about mixing high and low fashion. You don't need a designer wardrobe to look expensive. Pair a designer blazer with a simple t-shirt and jeans from your favorite high street store. Or rock a designer handbag with an amazing dress you found on sale. The key is to mix and match textures, colors, and styles to create a look that feels both luxurious and effortless. Invest in a few key pieces, like a classic trench coat or a beautiful leather jacket. Fashion is about expressing your individuality, so have fun with it and don't be afraid to try new things. Now, let's dive into the wonderful world of color. Understanding color coordination can really take your style to the next level. A good starting point is to familiarize yourself with the color wheel. Colors that are opposite each other on the wheel, like blue and orange or red and green, are called complementary colors. These combinations create a striking contrast and can really make your outfit pop. If you prefer a more subtle look, try analogous colors. These are colors that sit next to each other on the color wheel, like blue and green or red and orange. And of course, you can never go wrong with neutrals. Black, white, gray, beige. These versatile colors go with everything and can be used to create a chic and sophisticated look. Last but certainly not least, always dress for the occasion. Consider the event you're attending or the setting you'll be in. For a formal event, like a wedding or a gala, opt for a sophisticated dress, a sharp suit, or a classic cocktail dress. Choose luxurious fabrics like silk, velvet, or lace, and accessorize with elegant jewelry. For a more casual occasion, like a brunch with friends or a day of errands, go for comfortable yet stylish pieces. Think jeans and a cute top, a flowy dress, or a skirt and sweater combo. Don't be afraid to add a pop of color or a statement accessory to elevate your look. When in doubt, it's always better to be slightly overdressed than underdressed. That's it for today's style session. I really hope you found these tips helpful. Fashion is a journey, not a destination. Express your unique personality through your style choices and never be afraid to shine. Now go forth and conquer the world with your incredible style. If you enjoyed this video, please share it, subscribe to our channel, and give a thumbs up to this video. Thanks for watching. Have a great night or day. Until next time.